Hi, my name is Jolien and I would like you to introduce to the CosmoGolen project at ViaVia Entebbe. The CosmoGolem is an artwork by the Belgian artist Koen Vanmechelen that empowers children to express themselves through various forms of art, such as poetry, dance, stories and visual arts. The CosmoGolem represents a symbolic helper and savior for children all over the world, giving them a voice to share their dreams, hopes and desires. It also serves as a gateway to the world, connecting cultures and bringing relief to children in need. Koen drew his inspiration for the CosmoGolem from a wooden sculpture he made when he was 18 years old. When he looked at the artwork, he saw a golem in it. Afterwards, he learned that golem not only means giant, but also symbolizes a great evolution. So far, over 40 CosmoGolems have been built in different countries such as India, Ecuador and Belgium. Each one is built with the help of local organizations and children under the supervision of Koen Vanmechelen. In the summer of 2022, Koen and ViaVia Entebbe started a collaboration to build a CosmoGolem here in Uganda. The project aims to encourage children from the area to express themselves and their emotions and thoughts through various workshops. The children will learn different perspectives on reality, stimulating their listening and reasoning skills and also inspiring them to dream. The CosmoGolen project encourages creativity, personal expression and self-confidence, making it a very powerful tool for children to find their voice and identity. It is a very beautiful project that makes people move and brings hope to those who need it the most. So I really hope when you get a chance to visit ViaVia Entebbe one day, you get the opportunity to see our beautiful CosmoGolem.